There's something powerfully motivating about a powerful picture. And what is more powerful than seeing a weightlifter like Arnold push up a huge stack of plates that bends the bar? We feel stronger just seeing them. We feel encouraged and motivated. And we want to immediately share that motivation with others. Why are these images so powerful? And how can you use them to promote your business? Sending a strong image is something every business owner would like to do. You've seen those quote posters floating around on social media. The ones featuring athletic excellence do really well on the sharing front. They are loaded down with inspiration from every angle. People share them without thinking, even if there's a promotional logo attached. And there is the secret. If you have the best photos and the most inspiring quotes, you can slap your label on it, include an embedded link in the post, and people will be happy to share your feel-good promotion. Here's the other secret. A little further down on this page, you can get access to 100 of these viral quote posters right now. 100. Enough to use indefinitely, even if they didn't include the infinitely modifiable PSD files, which they do. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and these pictures are loaded with enough awesome to generate an avalanche of sharing and a flood of new traffic to your website. The inspiring, high-quality photos are coupled perfectly to irresistible quotes that people will want to share immediately. All you have to do is drop your brand-specific content into the picture and share it online. It's that simple. It's all on the page below. You can start today with 100 of your very own high-quality muscle-building quote posters. Reuse them for different sites you host or different brands that you want to promote. Reuse them any way that you like. They're fully 100% yours after you download them. Placard them in front of your best audiences and watch as they spread like wildfire. Learn more details, view the image previews, and secure your copy on the page below.